we are, let's find a 618. Hey, take your bags to the baggage drop-off desk. Okay. I'll do a mini hotel room tour. Okay, so I'm at Hotel Mastari, I guess. I love it. I've just got here, so I didn't get to check out like the hotel because it's 2 a.m., you know, so I'll be able to like actually check it out tomorrow. I'm really excited. The breakfast looks delicious. I only saw pictures, but yeah, so this is what we got going on for the bathroom. My messy, so many people on the plane told me they loved my bun. I was like, I'm glad you guys are all getting a kick out of it. Cause they're like, it's doing its own thing, you know? Anyways, nice shower, sink, toilet, bidet. Oh my, okay, so let me tell you something. I'm all about a pillow. If I don't have at least 4 giant pillows, I cannot sleep comfortably. And these are so, you guys, I'm going to die. Like, I'm going to be in heaven. It's very hard for me to get comfortable because I'm always in hotels. And just because the hotel's nice does not mean it has a comfortable bed. Ooh, got a little view of Helsinki, a little bit. I'm so excited to explore. It's 3 a.m., so I will only be able to get a little bit of sleep, but yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. But first I have to work out because I didn't do any crunches today, and I do 1,000 crunches every day, yeah. That's what I've been listening to David Goggins and reading his book. He'll do that to you. He'll do that to you. So I've been doing 1,000 crunches, 500 in the morning, 500 at night. So I haven't done my 500. Okay, I'm saying crunches. What I mean is like pull-ups, sit-ups, and I don't know what to call them. Anyways. But anyways, I've been doing that. I have abs. Tell me I don't. Oh, I'll do my crunches. And then I'm gonna knock out, and then I'm gonna show you guys around Helsinki. Tomorrow, I'm only gonna be here for 24 hours. And then I'm off to my next country. But yeah, country 170. I'm tired. Country 121. This is my 121st country that I visited. I was in Finland before, but I never counted it as a country I visited because I only visited the airport. So this is my first time officially visiting Finland, and I'm going to sleep now.